Welcome back to Shelter Food and Beer. This is my small bite section where I make something with just food that I have around the house, just a little snack that you want to make up quick. I cut up some lamb today, one into a rack and one into chops, and I had a little bit left over, and I'm going to make myself a singular lamb taco. Start out with a flour taco shell and then a flattened piece of lamb. This is some smoked bell peppers I cooked this week, a little spicy bean sauce, Parmesan cheese, truffle salt, and my go-to cilantro garlic sauce. Heat up the skillet and put a little bit of garlic olive oil in there. And I'm just going to use this center burner to cook my tortilla. Lightly sprinkle a little of the truffle seasoning, truffle salt on one side, and a little bit on the other. This will not take very long to cook at all. Put that smoked pepper in there. Give that lamb a flip. And beans down there. That lamb is done. Pretty exciting, huh? Ah, glorious sauce. And there it is, one very fast, quick, simple lamb taco. Look at that. There's so much going on there, and it literally took me 2 minutes to make. Thanks for watching Shelter Food and Beer. I'll be doing more of these small bites, quick bites, easy bites, and more of these beers.